2025 Prelim ITOM School Paper 2, question 14. In the figure, ABCD is a square. ABE is an equilateral triangle. Okay, ABCD is a square. And then ABE is an equilateral triangle. Yep. And DECF is a trapezium. DE is parallel to FC. And FDA is a straight line. Find angle DEF. DEF, okay, this is the one we're looking for. Now we know that ABE is an equilateral triangle, so that makes this 60, 60, 60, right? And then, given that ABCD is a square, the side is 90 degrees, which means that angle EBC is equals to 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. So this is 30. All right, and given that triangle ECB or BEC is an isosceles triangle, the two sides are the same. So we can find angle BEC, which is this angle. Okay, we take 180 degrees minus away 30, and then we divide it by 2. Okay, since the two base angles are the same, so that is 75 degrees. Let's give us 75. And I will also put in this side as 75, given that it's inside a square and we have equilateral triangle, which means that both sides is actually a symmetry. Right, so now we can find what we wanted, angle DEC. Okay, let's take 360 degrees minus away 75 minus 60 minus 75. That will give us 150 degrees. Okay, this is our answer, 150 degrees. Now find angle DFC. DFC, this is the one we're looking for now. Before we continue, I want to also draw in this part here. Alright, given that the figure is symmetry, which means that DE is the same as EC. Okay, so now we have another isosceles triangle. We can find angle. Let's find angle CDE. Let's find this angle here. Okay, this angle is equals to 180 minus away 150 degrees. Now given is another isosceles, so let's divide it by 2. That will give us 15 degrees. Right, so this is 15 degrees. And do we also know that this is 90 degrees, given that is to the side of a square? Alright, so now I want you to recap this. And you have two parallel lines. Okay, which two lines are we looking at? DE and FC. Okay, can you find the two lines? And then you have a straight line that cuts through it. Okay, the sum of the two interior angles should add up to 180 degrees. Alright, so now we know that the two interior angles should add up to 180. We can easily find angle DFC. Okay, DFC is this angle we're looking for. Is equals to 180 degrees minus angle FEE. Okay, so that's 180 minus 90 minus 15. And that will give us 75 degrees. Right, this is our answer, 75 degrees.